Hey y'all, so today I'm making the cutest Valentine's Day casserole ever. I've got 6 packets of ramen noodles and I'm only using 3 of the flavor packets. It doesn't matter which flavor you're using, you're just going to use whatever's handy. And then you're going to go ahead and take a jar of marinara sauce. This is a 23-ounce jar, just the regular marinara sauce. You're going to take half a jar of the meat sauce. Just kind of eyeball that. So you're only using half. To that, we're adding about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, just to kind of make everything super creamy and delicious. Do you guys have romantic dinner plans? You have to let me know in the comments if you do. And that includes treating yourself, you know. So that's about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then we're going to be adding a tub of ricotta cheese. That whole thing goes right in there. If I can get it out. Just like that. Then just kind of smush that everywhere. I think Italian meals are so nice for like romantic dinners, Valentine's Day. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. Go ahead and add the rest of that meat sauce. That goes right on top. This is so easy to make. If you have like a last minute date, this is going to be perfect for that. And then with this one, you're not going to really mix it in. You're just going to kind of swirl it on top. Like that. Isn't that pretty already? You don't have to boil any noodles or get any hot water going. So once you have that, we're going to add, this is a 2-cup bag of mozzarella cheese. That goes, we use the whole bag for that. Spread that around. And then on top of the mozzarella cheese, I'm adding 2 more cups of just an Italian blended cheese. Because we want this super, super cheesy. Just like that. Amazing. Okay, so that's going to go all the way to the edges. And then for our next layer, we're getting some pepperoni slices. And we're just going to arrange them right on top. And once you have this done, then we have our final step, which is check out these heart-shaped nuggets. Aren't these great? Okay, so we're going to put one on top of each piece of pepperoni. Seriously, aren't these like the cutest nuggets? Ah, so cute. Okay, so once we have those in, last thing we're doing is just a little bit more of Italian cheese. Just as kind of like a chicken parm kind of deal, but you don't want to cover it up completely because you want to make sure that they can see the hearts. Just like that. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, just so the nuggies are cooked through and the cheese is all melty. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look amazing? The little heart nuggets are so cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut a section out. I'm just gonna go right, I don't know, right in here. Got that. Got those chicken nuggets on top of the pepperoni, with all of that sauce and cheese on top of those ramen noodles. Ooh, look at that cheese pulling away. That looks so good. Gonna bring that down. Oh, that looks absolutely fantastic. Y'all, this looks amazing. I have to definitely try one of the nuggets first. And then chicken nuggets. What's there not to love? Let me get this pasta. All together. Still steamy. Oh my god, that's delicious. You should totally make this for your next like romantic dinner, last minute dinner date. It'll be a hit.